Why having a unique social media marketing agency strategy is crucial for success. What can be said or what stand will my agency need to take that will make our business stand out from our competition? What services can we guarantee our clients that you can over-deliver on? How can we make sure we can deliver on our promise and get very tangible results that will help our business get noticed and acquire new clients? As an advertising or marketing agency, it's important that you stand out from the competition. You need to be able to promise your clients something that they can't get from anyone else. And you need to be able to deliver on that promise. One way to make sure that you can deliver on your promise is to over-deliver on your services. This means going above and beyond what's expected of you. It means giving your clients more than they bargained for. It also means making sure that you're always meeting deadlines and delivering high-quality work. And it means being responsive to your clients' needs and requests. If you can do all of these things, you'll be well on your way to setting yourself apart from the competition. And you'll be well on your way to acquiring new clients. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering marketing, social media and other business tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.